In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace. So head over first right here to your GoDaddy and then just type in here the domain that you want to use. So for example, for this one, I'll just look for this and then it will show me some search results related to this one. Now just choosing here the extension like .com, .ai that you want, and then I will just head over and then choose this .bip. Just click on this cart icon, and then once you have clicked that, it will be added to your cart. Next thing to do from there is just click on the continue option, and then in here you should be able to see the domain protection. You can just choose the domain protection that you want to use onto this next page right here. Now from in there, click on this continue with cart, and then you should see in here the payment information in order to buy this particular domain on GoDaddy. So just head over and then input right here the payment information once it's done loading. Just click on this I'm ready to pay in order to do this. From in there, you can head over and then use this. Go right here to your Squarespace, scroll down and click on this gear icon. Then click on this domains and email. Click on this domains option. Click on this use a domain I own. And then just enter in here the domain that you have just purchased. Click on this arrow icon and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to transfer those right here. Just click on this transfer option. And then just enter in here the authorization code.